Hey guys, we received this Arrow Quest Magic Kit for Kids. It's a 300 plus magic tricks, perfect toy for the boys or the girls, and a magic wand magician set with the instruction manual. So this starts from 6 plus ages and comes with all these things that you can play or different tricks. So these are a really nice thing for kids to have unlimited fun or just to impress their friends or the others in their pastime. So let me just open the box, and as you can see it comes with this manual that describe all the 300 tricks, so you can just use and present it. So it's a nice instructions and it's English to describe everything and easy to understand as well, so that any kid can read and understand. So there are two pouches in here with all the different tricks and set. So all different type of variation with the detailed instructions, and then the things in here. So this is a nice tricks, and it have this penetration frame, money transformer, or the telepathic cards or the zigzag pencil or all other type of activities. The small magic wand that the kids can use. So all these different techniques are pretty nice and very famous and popular ones that the kids can use. So say like just to disappear ball, and then you need some practice so that to be much more perfect. And fake thumb, the crown cards, magic coin, spike through coins, and all other things. So the materials are also nice and durable material with the coin and the stuff. So say like just to disappear the coin and the coin disappear, you can use all other type of coins as well, or the swipe coins and then take it there. So my younger one, like the 6-year old, trying to do this trick. Of course, like he needs some practice, but yeah, like they are easy to do with the kids.
Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you magic today. And one of our
So
first
is the
tricks
elder
is going
one
to be
with the
taking a
12-year
coin
old
out of our hands.
describing some tricks.
Ta-da!
The kids are
And now I'm
happy
going
to
to
try
be
all these
making it
tricks and
disappear.
to impress their friends. So I'm pretty nice, like happy that your kids will love this as well.
Now our next trick
And then you
is
can
making,
do
so
all
here you
these
can
techniques.
see
So of course they
it's an
need some
impact
practice
pencil. And now I'm going to
just
put
to
it
make it more
inside
and
this
more
machine
comfortable
and watch
doing
how it
that,
splits into three parts.
and then they do the things.
And now I'm going to put some magic spell onto this, and now it's going to become intact. Abracadabra. My next trick here is, as you can see, this is a black dice over here. And now I'm going to shake it and it's going to turn into so many little dice. Abracadabra. As you can see over here, there's a coin in this slot. And now it's going to disappear. And with my trusty wand, I'm going to make it reappear. Abracadabra. And my last trick here is the disappearing ball. So as you can see, there's a purple ball in this goblet. And now I'm going to make it disappear. Abracadabra. And now, once I put this lid on, it's going to reappear. And that's it. Thank you. And there are more tricks you can try inside this box.